Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. I'm excited to show you guys some new arrivals. We now have Herringbone and we're offering it in 4 current colors that we already carry. And I'm going to pan over and show you those. These are our current standard planks in a 7-inch by 5-foot long variation of the SPC 031 Oyster, SPC 032 Driftwood, SPC 033 Bay Breeze, and SPC 034 Sandal. Those of course are all 30 mil Xtreme wear layers. So we replicated the same colors, these 4 colors, in herringbone design. This one you're looking at is Sandal. So with the herringbone design, we've assigned new model numbers. The Sandal will be SPC 052. Now referring back to our other colors, if you like the oyster color and you want it in herringbone, it's going to be represented by SPC 049. If you like the driftwood, then it would be represented by SPC 050. And then the gray one, which is our Bay Breeze, will be represented by SPC 051. So again, we'll have new model numbers for the herringbone versions of some of the current colors we already carry. We only have these 4 at this time. So we wanted to see what you guys think, and if you like this look, please let us know. We always appreciate customer feedback and really value your input about our new designs. So I hope you guys like it. I just want to quickly go around here to show you. I think it's a little lighter in the video than what I'm seeing in person, so just know the cameras are tricky. Getting samples is the real deal. And this is actually 1 full box. Each box for the herringbone design has 25.42 square feet. Also, the planks are going to be 5 inches wide and 24 inches long each piece. Now I've already racked out all the different colors. It's actually pretty easy to put together. Looks complicated, but it's really simple. And we'll be glad to help you understand that if you just want to give us a call. So let us know what you think, folks. Give us a call, 844-356-6711. We'd love to hear from you. We'll get some samples on the way to you. Just let us know what you need. Thanks again, and this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. Bye for now.